Hello friends, this is Abhishek Agrawal here, and it is the fourth video of Screwjack assembly series. In first three videos we have created a body, screw spindle and the nut of screw assembly, and in this particular figure we are going to make a cup. So quickly start with the part design. Name the part as cup and enter. Select a YZ plane as usual and sketch. Again we're going to make this particular pattern, and we'll use a shaft command to make it circular. We don't need to worry about this semicircle, as we can do later, and I'll explain you why we did not include it in a sketching part. So go to profile, select create profile quickly without dimensioning it. We don't need to worry about dimension now. Just quickly make an approximate figure. Yes, here we are. Now quickly go to dimension it. The total height of nut is 42. Distance between these two particular line is at 12. Distance between these two parallel lines is 6. Distance of this line from the rotation axis is 22.5 divided by 2, that is 11.25. Distance of this point from the rotation axis is 38 divided by 2. I think we have done something wrong here. You don't need to worry about it. We just give to this particular dimension and it will be okay. And this particular distance is 65 divided by 2. Yeah, so here we have obtained completely constrained figure. Now quickly exit from the sketch, select the shaft command, select a rotation axis and okay. So this is our cup. Now if we would have created this particular semicircle over here, then we would have obtained a circle instead of a slot. So to make a slot, we'll use again a YZ plane. We'll draw a particular sketch and we'll use a pocket command to make this particular slots. So select a YZ plane, go to sketch. First of all, to take a reference of this circle, we have to project it. So let's project this reference element on YZ plane. Okay, so here we have projected this particular surface on YZ plane. So quickly we will make one construction line, construction middle line, to look at the center of circle. Then we'll make a circle with a diameter of 10. We'll quickly use quick trim. Yes, so here we have completed the required profile. Before using a pocket command or pad command, you have to make sure that your profile is closed. So to check that, you can check it from here, go tools, sketch analysis, and here you can see our geometry is an implicit profile with a close and two curves, so it seems right. Now click on exit sketch, go to pocket command, use a mirrored extend. The depth of one side would be 32.5, so total would be 65. So click OK. So here we have obtained two slots. As we want to make 4 slots, we'll use a circular pattern command over here. What we'll do, we'll make instances 2, angle spacing of 90 degree. We'll use a reference axis as this particular surface, as we want our profile to be created over here. Yeah, here we need to select object as pocket, instances 2, angular spacing 90 degree. So here we have obtained 2 more similar type of slots. So here we have completed with the cup of the screw jack assembly. Keep watching my videos for further parts and assembly. In case of any query and clarifications, you can comment below, and please feel free to give any suggestions or advice if you want to. And if you have any CAD related freelancing project and you want me to do that project, you can write to me at abhishek.a32@gmail.com. Till now, keep watching my videos, stay tuned.